Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best silicone remover is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your toolbox. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, dealing with sealant can be a real headache. But what if there was a tool that could make the job easier, cleaner, and more efficient? Today, we're diving deep into a product that promises to do just that. Number 5. 3-in-1 Silicone Caulking Tools. This set of tools helps you repair gaps and clean old glue. It improves the quality of the seal and makes surfaces look better. The stainless steel scraper removes tough old glue, while the silicone trowel smooths out bumps. It's perfect for finishing most silicone jobs, including edges and corners. These caulking tools are easy to clean with a damp cloth and can be reused. This reduces sealant waste, eliminates the need for tape, and saves you time and money. The tools have a non-slip button to easily replace the silicone pads. You can choose from 5 different radii to fit your needs. These tools are great for use at home, in the kitchen, bathroom, and around windows and sinks. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This tool is designed to be reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. It comes with replaceable silicone pads, allowing you to customize your caulking. If you're looking for a cost-effective and versatile solution for various sealing tasks, you should consider this. What people say. Super easy to remove old caulking, and each tool that it comes with is necessary and easy to use. We are not handy people, but this made cleaning and replacing the grout in the bathroom really easy. This came as described and is a very useful combination of tool shapes. Number 4. MR.SIGA Rubber Broom 3-in-1 with adjustable handle. This amazing tool combines a pet hair removing rubber brush, a squeegee, and a microfiber cloth. It's a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs, handling pet hair, spills, and dust with ease. The specially designed rubber brush head grabs pet hair from carpets and hard floors. This ensures a cleaner home environment, making it perfect for pet owners. The built-in squeegee edge quickly manages liquid spills on various surfaces. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and entryways, eliminating the need for multiple tools. The sturdy steel handle adjusts to your preferred length, offering a comfortable grip. You can adjust it to any position, making cleaning easier without bending over. The set comes with an extra microfiber cloth for dusting or a final polish. Its fine fibers trap dust, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. What we like. This broom combines multiple functions, making it a versatile cleaning tool. It efficiently removes pet hair from carpets and hard floors. If you have pets and need an all-in-one solution for cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. With a 61-inch adjustable handle, this broom is like a magic wand that sweeps the hair away like it's nothing. It removes it, with the kind of precision that'll make you think you're working with a vacuum cleaner, except without the clunky machine. The built-in squeegee is perfect for grabbing hair, dust, and spills in one smooth pass. Number 3. Caulking Tools 3-in-1 Kit for Kitchen and Bathroom. Introducing the upgraded caulking tool kit, featuring new materials and a new design. The metal scraper at the tail is enhanced for more efficient cleaning. This makes the job easier. This kit includes a stainless steel head, a button, a removable steel scraper, and multiple replaceable pads. Compared to the 3-in-1 design, this tool has a clearer division of labor, making the user more professional. With this grout tool, dry caulking can be removed in half the time. It quickly beautifies new caulking materials, giving your home a fresh new look. It is very helpful. These caulking removal tools are suitable for various areas, including kitchens, bathrooms, and windows. They are essential for any caulking project, making it versatile. The kit comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. If you're not satisfied, the problem will be fixed quickly within 24 hours. The customer service is great. What we like. This kit features an upgraded design with a clearer division of labor for more professional caulking. It includes a stainless steel head and multiple pads for various tasks. If you are looking for a comprehensive and efficient caulking tool kit, you should consider this. What people say. In addition, the various blue edge applicators work very well in providing a good smooth uniform seal. Hands down a great tool. It's a great tool for removing old crap. Easy to use and makes it look so professional. Number 2. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. This is a cordless electric scrub brush. It comes with a multi-purpose head and is powered by batteries. It's designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. The oscillating head scrubs at a high speed, removing grime quickly. It helps restore surfaces to their original condition. This powerful tool makes cleaning more effective. This scrubber is designed to work faster than manual scrubbing. It reduces the effort needed, saving you time. You can get more done with less strain. It's built to be water resistant, so you can rely on it in any cleaning situation. This feature ensures durability and reliability. You don't have to worry about water damage. Rubbermaid is known for making dependable products. This scrubber is designed to last and simplify your daily chores. It's a product you can trust. It's perfect for cleaning tight spaces in your home. Use it on faucets, drains, and appliances. It's a versatile tool for your kitchen and bathroom. You can also use it for outdoor cleaning projects. It's great for grills, furniture, and even your car. This makes it a great all-around cleaning tool. What we like. This scrubber provides intense cleaning power, removing grime quickly and effectively. It is designed to save you time and energy. If you are looking for a powerful and convenient cleaning tool for your home, you should consider this. What people say. The different sized bristle tops made it easy for cleaning around tight spots. Love all of the attachments. Great tool to have in your cleaning caddy. It has a powerful battery-operated motor that can reach grime in tight spots, around faucets, hard-to-reach grout. The different heads are helpful depending on the area you're working on. Number 1. AIMIKE Scalp Massager Shampoo Brush, Oatmeal. Unlike traditional brushes, this one-piece silicone design ensures long-lasting use. Its flexibility makes it comfortable and durable, so you don't have to worry about it breaking while you shower. Dealing with a flaky or itchy scalp. This head scrubber helps remove dandruff and product buildup. It's gentle yet effective, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed and healthy. If you're experiencing hair loss or scalp stress, this massager is for you. It relaxes your scalp muscles and boosts blood circulation. It also helps massage oils into your scalp, maximizing their effectiveness. This hair washing brush is suitable for all hair types, whether thick, thin, curly, straight, wet, or dry. It's also perfect for those with long nails and won't hurt sensitive scalps. You can even use it on your pets. This palm-sized head massager fits perfectly in your hand. Use it anytime, anywhere to relieve tiredness and enjoy a relaxing spa experience at home. It's also a great gift for friends and family. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This scalp massager is made of one-piece silicone, ensuring durability and comfort. It helps remove dandruff and stimulate hair growth. If you like a relaxing and effective way to care for your scalp, you should consider this. What people say. The bristle is a soft silicone and it's very easy to use. I use it every time I shampoo my hair and it feels so good. It both deep cleans my hair to the scalp without scratching or scraping it and gives a great massage. It helps spread shampoo evenly and gives your scalp a mini massage every time you shower. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.